good methodology for detecting defects and doing let's call it like a root cause analysis on why this happened and getting down to that design level defect?
In my opinion, you definitely need to have some rigor around the analysis stage of it, where you do that root cause analysis. I mean, you always run a fine line if you just want to throw out solutions to problems without fully understanding what the issue is in the first place. So I always recommend, at the minimum, asking the 5 whys to understand your root cause. I won't get into it too much, but it's always, I've gotten really interested in the human factors side of things. And the Air Canada put out these 12, they call it the dirty dozen human factors, where they say that I think 60% of maintenance issues are caused by at least one of these 12 human factors. So it's kind of interesting that it seems like everything ultimately comes back to the human aspect of things. Understanding what phase it came into might be a different thing. So, but look, definitely understanding the root cause is a must. Otherwise, you're kind of just throwing darts at the solution.
Yeah, no, I definitely hear you on the human aspect almost being the root cause of a lot of problems.